We just had to go underneath this bridge from the boat ramp, and it is raining, melting snow all the way off the edge. So we had to go through 2 waterfalls of freezing ice cold water just to get out here and fish. Didn't think about that. Anyways, what is up, guys? It is a beautiful 50-degree day here in Florida, and check this out. We got snow on the bank. There's still some snow on the bank. We had record history-making snowfall. We had like a little over 9 inches in our area in Pensacola. So this is the first day we've gotten out. All the snow's melting. It's sunny, beautiful. And so we just got on the river for like maybe 2 or 3 hours just to go, we're gonna go try a new little spot that I haven't fished in years and years and years, and go poke around different places, get out of the house. I can't believe how much snow we had. Look at there. The white stuff in Florida, it's not supposed to be here like that. I mean, we had blizzard, 9+ inches. Unbelievable. It was beautiful while it lasted, but I'm glad that it's leaving. We're ready for summer days, hot boating days, swimming in the water. So appreciate every one of you guys for turning into another episode of Bass and Bee TV. Lorelai appreciates it, yeah. Say it's nice to be out of this house. But anyways, maybe we'll get some bass, maybe we'll get some redfish, maybe we'll get some speckled trout. Let's see. We're gonna go out here and sling some baits. Hopefully rip some lips. Y'all come along. Appreciate you. So we went to run out this way. Tide's too low. It's not even a foot of water. So we aborted mission going that way. And now we're on the trolling motor because the big motor, the boat was bogging down in the sand. So we'll get out of here. We're gonna fish a little bit of this, and then we're gonna run up river to another spot that we wanted to fish, a little spillway by a power plant. So we'll go up here. There's water, a spillway coming out. Hopefully it's some warmer water. We can get bit. We'll see if there's fish around here. It's actually colder here, 5 degrees, than it was down, of course, by the bay. But no bites down there, so come try this. last spot, we'll go over here. Look how pretty they got the grass on that hill. How they got such green grass? Unless that's carpet or something. Anyways, we're gonna go up here, fish this wall. Then we're gonna call it. It's gonna start getting dark and cold. There's fish on the bottom. Probably catfish or something. Oh. It's getting cold. Holy crap, it's getting cold. Let's get over here in the sun. Oh my gosh. Woo. Man, it should be a bass. Ooh, baby girl, we about to call it quits. These bass ain't worth this cold weather. Oh my gosh, it's cutting right through me. And then there's the shade.